Imagine a tree, small enough to sit on your desk, yet as majestic as any in a vast forest. Welcome to the enchanting world of bonsai, an art form steeped in tradition, originating from ancient China and later flourishing in Japan. The term bonsai translates to planted in a container, reflecting a practice that transforms nature into a miniature but perfect imitation of a full-sized tree, capturing its beauty and grandeur. This miniature art form not only captures the essence of nature but also embodies patience and dedication. Now, meet the Adenium bonsai, a true gem among bonsais with its distinct appearance and vibrant blooms. Originating from the arid regions of Africa and the Arabian Peninsula, the Adenium or desert rose has adapted beautifully to the bonsai form. This plant's ability to thrive in harsh, dry environments contributes to its robust nature, making it an excellent candidate for bonsai cultivation. One of the most striking features of the Adenium bonsai is its naturally swollen trunk, known as a caudex, which stores water and nutrients, allowing the plant to endure drought conditions. The visual allure of the Adenium bonsai is undeniable. Its thick, often bulbous trunk forms a dramatic base for the vibrant, trumpet-shaped flowers that bloom in shades of pink, red, and white. These blossoms not only add a splash of color, but also a dynamic contrast to the rugged trunk, enhancing the bonsai's aesthetic appeal. With its stunning floral display, the Adenium bonsai brings a burst of life and color to the traditional art of bonsai. Fancy growing an Adenium bonsai? It's both challenging and rewarding. The journey begins with selecting a robust Adenium plant. Look for one with a sturdy stem and vibrant foliage, signs of good health. This choice is crucial, as a healthy start is half the battle in bonsai cultivation. Moving on to the soil, the foundation of any plant's growth. For Adenium bonsai, a porous mix is vital. A blend of sand, soil and compost in a 2:1:1 ratio often works best. This mixture ensures excellent drainage, preventing root rot, which is common in these moisture-sensitive plants. Now, let's get our hands dirty. Planting your Adenium involves not just placing it in a pot, but thinking ahead about the shape and structure you envision. This foresight guides how you position the plant in its new home. Once planted, the art of bonsai begins to take shape through pruning and wiring. Pruning isn't merely about aesthetics, it's about controlling the growth and health of the bonsai. Strategic cuts help develop a strong, visually appealing trunk and branches. Wiring is another essential technique. It helps guide the plant's limbs to grow in desired directions, creating that traditional windswept or dramatically angular bonsai silhouette. But remember, the wires need attention over time to avoid cutting into the growing bark. Sunlight and watering are the final yet ongoing steps. Your Adenium bonsai requires plenty of light, about 6 hours of direct sunlight daily. Watering should be measured and mindful, allowing the soil to dry out between watering sessions. With the right care, your Adenium bonsai will not just survive but thrive, showcasing its exotic beauty. To ensure your Adenium bonsai remains a stunning spectacle, proper care is crucial. One of the key aspects of this care regimen is watering. Unlike most houseplants, Adenium bonsai prefers to dry out between waterings, so wait until the soil is completely dry before giving it another drink. Next, we have fertilization. Every few weeks, it's a good idea to feed your Adenium bonsai with a phosphorus-rich fertilizer. This nutrient is essential for promoting vibrant flower production. But let's not forget about sunlight. These plants love to bask in the sun, so try to ensure at least 6 hours of direct sunlight every day. Lastly, keep an eye out for pests and diseases. Regular inspection can help catch any issues early. If you notice something amiss, don't panic. There are many natural and eco-friendly solutions available to treat common plant problems. Regular attention and care will keep your Adenium bonsai healthy and allow it to flourish year-round. The journey of growing a bonsai is a rewarding one, filled with learning and beauty. Throughout our exploration today, we've delved into the fascinating world of Adenium bonsai, from its distinctive swollen trunks to its vibrant blooms. This bonsai not only captivates with its appearance, but also offers a unique challenge in its care and cultivation. As you consider starting your own bonsai journey, remember the profound peace and aesthetic pleasure these miniature trees can bring into your life. Embrace the challenge and joy of bonsai gardening, and let the Adenium bonsai add a touch of exotic elegance to your space.